Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete reposted videos on TikTok. Sometimes you may change your mind after reposting a video and decide you no longer want your followers to see it. So let's dive in and I'll guide you step by step through the process. First, open the TikTok app on your device. To repost a video, simply tap the share icon located at the bottom right of the video you want to share. From there, you'll see an option at the top left that says Repost. Click on that and the video will be reposted to your profile. Now let's focus on deleting the reposted video. If you've just reposted it, simply go back to the same video, tap the share icon again, and you will see the option to Remove Repost. Tap that and the video will be removed from your profile. However, if you reposted the video a few days ago, it might not be as easy to find on your profile page. In that case, here's what you need to do. Go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, tap the three lines in the upper right corner to access the Settings menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Watch History. In this section, you can find all the videos you've watched, including reposted ones. Look for the video you want to remove, tap on it, and then click the username above the video. This will take you to the user's profile page. Once you're on their profile, find the reposted video again. Tap on it, then tap the share icon. You'll see the option to Remove Repost once again. Tap on that, and the reposted video will be deleted from your profile. And that's it. That's the easiest way to remove a reposted video on TikTok. Thanks for watching.